Mai, the capital of Northern Thailand. The mission of this channel is to uncover every hidden corner of Northern Thailand, showcasing the best yet undiscovered hiking trails and natural treasures in Chiang Mai and beyond. Episode 1. Hoi Tueng Tao. Nestled within lush greenery, this location promises an immersive jungle hiking experience, allowing visitors to explore the rich biodiversity of the region. Shaded by tall banana trees and a lush canopy, these ancient jungle trails lead through bamboo forests alongside a wild river, revealing a stunning hidden waterfall and plenty of wildlife. These hiking trails accommodate all fitness levels and experience, making it an ideal destination for safely immersing oneself in the rich, beautiful nature of Northern Thailand. As we promised, this hiking trail will eventually lead you to one of the most beautiful yet widely unknown jungle waterfalls in Chiang Mai. The main trail forms a 10 kilometers loop, but there are plenty of alternative routes, including the climb to the Doi Pui Peak for more advanced and experienced hikers. And now, finally, something the most remarkable and refreshingly different. Stay tuned. We are about to unveil the greatest gem of Hoi Tueng Tao. I'm sure we'll all agree, after a jungle trek, there's truly nothing comparable to the bliss of immersing your feet in the cold lake, enjoying a refreshing drink, and savoring authentic Thai dishes in a bamboo hut with breathtaking views. So, this combination of a challenging jungle hike, majesty of the waterfall, and the serenity of Hoi Tueng Tao Reservoir, together with the culinary delights of the lakeside eateries, creates a truly memorable and fulfilling experience. Our team is here to arrange not just this, but a variety of upcoming tours for you. Stay tuned via our channel, please subscribe, and feel free to contact us if you're enthusiastic about experiencing the true Northern Thailand adventures through our trekking tours.